Okay, guys, welcome back. Hotel review time. This hotel is called the Vienna International Hotel and is located in Dujiangyan City. This is near where the Blue River of Tears, the amazing bridge in the Blue River, is located. Looks like a small room, just a kind of a weird shaped room, but very, very nice hotel. A little bit dark. The bathroom was amazing though. You see the light in the toilet, comes with a heated toilet seat and automatic flushing. How cool is that? Awesome shower. This is considered a 4-star hotel. Unfortunately, I cannot find it online, so I can't get any more information than what you see in the video. The bed was absolutely comfortable. Here's the lobby. Very, very nice. There's a lot of hotels in China with the same name. I assume it's a chain, but they all look totally different. And I could not find this one. Not that it really matters, I guess. But it would be nice to know what other people are thinking. It's always good to check the reviews. This is where breakfast is served. It is in the basement. They called it floor -1. No shortage of food. It is a busy hotel, and it was fairly busy when I was there. I stayed here the first week of June 2026. This was the 5th and final hotel that I stayed in China on this trip. Take a look at some of the food. No shortage of food, but again, a definite shortage of meat. But cake is there. Lots of cake, always lots of cake available. But not hard to find something to eat, that's for sure. Lots of different soups available. Some very good noodle soups normally served at breakfast time. Back in the lobby, we'll go outside and take a look at around the hotel as well. Very nice, a very nice area, that's for sure. There's the front. Right where I'm standing, that is the Holiday Inn. There's the main road. Pretty quiet right now. This is early in the morning, but at night, after dark, very, very busy. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. Like I said, this is my last hotel in China, at least on this trip. And it was 5 good hotels. A couple of them were a little bit old, but they were all very good hotels, very comfortable beds, everything worked, nice hot showers, everything as it should be, and awesome customer service. And there's the sign for the Holiday Inn. They're across the street from each other. Like I said, as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it.